guys, it's Lily again. But yeah, so our part 1 went out on us. If you saw that part and thinking what the heck happened, yeah, it went out on us.
We have 3 minutes to record this.
So yeah, pretty much what I did is it's a perfect slime smoothie now. It's a really good color. It's got flow beads. It's got little fishbowl beads. Yeah, I just added
The duck
a bunch of
is in
activator.
here somewhere.
I'll get it.
That's actually a really nice texture.
Yeah, it's like not sticky at all. The duck is right here. We got the duck in here from my slime. But yeah, it's a really good texture.
And
I really, really like it. I just have to keep mixing kind
we
of.
didn't even add any coloring. That's all the slime.
Yeah, that's the
All we
slime.
added was activator.
Yep, pretty much. But it does smell really bad.
So I added some perfume. But, so that's pretty much our slime smoothie. And
Please comment down below which one of the slimes you thought that we should have kept. So, like, out of all the slimes that we put in here, which one should we have kept? Do you think? In the comment box down below. Please subscribe, like, turn on notifications so then you can get notified of any other videos like this one. Yeah. So thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.